Good morning, Bryce, and I hope everyone's having a good start to their day. It's a calm, chilly morning. You definitely need your jacket, but we're going to be tracking the potential for our first severe weather event of the season. Now, it's a low-end threat, but it is still there. We're going to clear out by Thanksgiving Day, which is good news, but then a wet weekend ahead. So taking a look at the national view, it's pretty quiet across the southeast this morning. We're starting to see that system moving in our direction as it's developing in the central plains. Showers and thunderstorms already firing across portions of Oklahoma and Texas ahead of this warm front. And later today, when we start to really see those winds pick up from the south, temperatures are going to warm up like that. So it's not going to be cold for all of that long, but right now it is 39 degrees in Greenville. As for Greenwood, just a couple of degrees warmer. And area-wide, we're generally in the low 40s to 30s. Earlier this morning, there was a lot of freezing temperatures in the eastern half of the state, but we are slowly starting to warm up, and we'll continue that trend later on. As we track out your Thursday, it's going to get pretty close to 70 degrees. We may not quite make it, but still, it's going to feel pretty nice. The wind's really going to become blustery later this evening. And as we take a look around 3 o'clock, this storm system is going to be knocking on our doorstep. So before then, it's going to be relatively calm, just breezy. But as we go into tomorrow morning, especially for that commute to work, this line of thunderstorms is going to be pushing right across the delta. And this main line, that's what we're concerned about for the potential for some damaging winds. So we're going to watch this closely. So about after 3 a.m., you might want to get up and just check the weather and see what's going on out there. And if you have a severe warning issued for your area, take the appropriate steps to keep yourself safe and your family, of course. And as we continue through Wednesday morning, this is going to be moving quickly. So again, by noon, that threat for any strong storm should be pretty much over. And then we'll start to clear out tomorrow evening, and temperatures will start to cool down as we go into early Thursday morning, which of course is Thanksgiving morning. Temperatures will start off pretty chilly, but notice the rain. It's gone. So that's definitely good news there. But again, you're set up for tomorrow morning. We're going to have deep Gulf moisture coming in. Again, those winds are going to be about 20 to 25 miles from the south, really pumping in that warm, moist air. This cold front is going to add some additional lift, which will allow them storms to potentially get pretty strong. But again, no widespread severe weather expected, but across Mississippi all the way up into the Tennessee Valley, we could have some stronger storms as we go into tomorrow. But today, most of the severe threat going to stay off to our west. And as we go into tomorrow morning, that's when the threat kind of enters the delta. But it's just a level 1 out of 5 threat, but it is our first severe potential of the season. So take it seriously, and we'll continue to keep you updated through tomorrow morning. But right now, damaging winds looks to be the highest threat. And notice it's only a medium threat at this point. Hail, probably won't see any of that. Tornadoes, an isolated tornado can't be completely ruled out, although it looks unlikely, and the best timing for this event between 2 and 11. And we probably could even narrow down that a little bit more to about 3 to 9. I think that'd be the highest impact time across much of the delta. But as for the week ahead, after tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms, we're clearing out Thursday, but rain chances, they're back in the forecast just like that. And as for your temperature trend, a little bit up and down, but gradually going to go down as we go into this weekend. And I'm going to tell you what, the last couple of days of November and the first few days of December could be pretty cold for the delta. We could have our first widespread freeze event of the season, which is actually kind of running a little behind, but still. Next week, it could be a whole lot colder if this pattern sticks. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that. But for today, we will manage 70 degrees in spots, increasing clouds. It is going to become breezy later this afternoon. As for tonight, scattered showers and thunderstorms mainly after 2 o'clock. Gusty winds, south-southeasterly at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And with some of the stronger storms, again, we can have those severe gusts. And as for tomorrow, the severe threat should be over by noon. But again, we are going to have kind of a nasty morning commute. So that's something to keep in mind. Be weather aware as we go into your Wednesday. Thursday, we're clearing out, and this weekend it's going to be pretty active. We could potentially have another round of severe weather Sunday, but that's a little far out there to really determine. But one thing's for sure, Bryce, we need to pay attention tomorrow morning.